Hi everyone, wanted to do a really quick tutorial for you today, and this is what's known as a mega strip of glitter from Eliza Henry, and they come on rolls like this, and there's also leatherette versions, and there is one really simple bow that you can make with this, which is a really pretty sparkly pinch, or like a little pinch tucks bow. But they're so simple, so cute. We've got these in navy, red and royal blue, and I'm going to make this green one. What you want is a ruler, and I make these at 4.5 inches because I feel like that gives it like the right size to get a nice clear pinch. Okay, and I fold that over like that to make sure I've got a clean cut, because otherwise I cut at an angle because I've got dyspraxia and I automatically sort of tilt to the left or the right. So try and make the line as straight as you possibly can. And then what I have is what's known as a gem pen, just to make it easier and make sure I'm centered. Fold it in half, put a little line here, and again just a little mark on the top and bottom, just so when I'm folding in a minute I'll know where to put my pinches in. And with this, one of the key components of this is premium elastic, strong clear elastics. You can get 1,500 of these for about £5 or like £9 depending on the quality, but you want really strong ones, because if you get like the standard like loom band elastics, it just doesn't work to the same extent, and also they tend to snap. So once you've got that, you fold this in half like so and put your thumb here, and then push up and over so you can get your line up there, and then turn it down, flip it over and push it back there, and you'll get a 3 accordion pinch. Then have your lid off, so for easy grabbing, take your little elastic and go 1, 2, 3. Make sure it's nice and centered. There we go. You've got your nice little clear accordion creases there. And I am going to take a little strip. I will sometimes cut these with my Big Shot for like more accurate, but you can eyeball this, well, when you can cut in a straight line. Told you, have to be careful. So you want about 1 centimetre wide to go around. Then take a little alligator clip, a little bit of glue on the back, over your elastic. Like I said, as I say, you can see this is a quality one because that hasn't automatically snapped with that hot glue. If it was a lower quality band, it would have popped off from the heat, and that's how you tell the difference as well. If you're getting lower quality ones, those bands will just like ping, you know, like when you do the little clip and take them out of your hair, like that. Put that down. There you go. You can do this with normal glitter and do this kind of style. You just do 3 inches by 4.5, but like I said, having these on these rolls, which are about, I think they're about £3.50 to like £2.65 a roll, depending on whether or not you want glitters, leatherette patterns and things like that, and different styles. And you can get an average of 11 to sort of 10 bows, depending on whether or not you do like 4.5 inches or 5 inches wide. The 5 inches just gives you like a longer, more flared look. This gives you like the tighter, like more squared, structured look. But you can play around with your pinches as well. I just think it's really cute, it's really quick, and it's a nice simple bow. Thanks for watching, bye.